Hi, Dr. Smith. The text I've chosen to estimate the level of difficulty of is On the Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. It is the foundation of natural selection and variation within the discipline of biology. Right off the bat, the Lexile level is within the 1300 to 1400 Lexile, which puts the text within the upper range of the CCR students. This text can be considered for AP Biology students based on Lexile level alone. However, the actual difficulty of the text is much higher. We begin with the levels of meaning and purpose, which is not as difficult as you would expect. They are both straightforward and direct in each passage. This is due to his literal use of language rather than figurative. This is common in most science-based texts. The structure is also well organized and easy to follow. Language and conventionality is where the real difficulty begins to arise. The text is written in Middle English from 159 years ago. The students unfamiliar with this style of English may struggle. Finally, the knowledge demands for the text are enormous, specifically the prior knowledge and vocabulary knowledge. Much of the prior knowledge comes from topics discussed after the release of his book, and the vocabulary also requires a glossary to be paired with the text. Overall, the text is certainly one that is difficult when examining its quantitative and qualitative levels and properties. Thank you very much.